Connie Ferguson shares the Setswana poem to calm COVID-19 fears. As South Africans try to come to terms with the COVID-19 pandemic that's claiming the lives of many worldwide, Connie Ferguson shared a Setswana poem she believes can calm the nation. The veteran actress shared the touching poem by Thuto Prince Musomane that addresses the fears many people across the world have regarding the coronavirus. She said the poem inspired her in these uncertain times. A Setswana poem on how COVID-19 is affecting our entire being by Thuto Prince. I just had to share this. It made me appreciate Setswana that much more, she said. The poem loosely translated to, Father God, why are you calling us when we are not ready? Although you have given us the opportunity to stay at home to think. With Connie and her husband Shona forced to halt production on their hit telenovela The Queen, she expressed that the poem's message really hit home. She highlighted that the abrupt break from shooting and staying at home made her appreciate the little things she previously took for granted. I hope we are all taking this time to reflect and appreciate the things that we took for granted, to appreciate love, family, friends, the little things, and to know that life is not guaranteed and its time frames are not known, she said. Be good with God, be good with the world, be good in your soul. All that is well ends well. And so shall it be.
Yeah.